You have been searching for the perfect chocolate cookie to bring to work tomorrow for your coworkers. Well, here at Asai Guy Cooks, we have the perfect cookie recipe with chocolate cream cheese cookies. So let's get started. Let's prepare the dry ingredients. Time for the wet ingredients.
Yes!
Let's build the cookies. Set your timer for 15 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Chocolate dates back over 5,000 years and was derived from the coca bean. It was first domesticated by indigenous tribes of southeast Ecuador. Those look great right out of the oven. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try one. Now that is one delicious cookie. The chocolate cream cheese and chocolate morsels provide the right balance of soft texture and crunch. Leave a comment or question below. And of course, the complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. You and your coworkers are gonna love these cookies. Stay with us, watch the next video.